just a background noise. It's the hidden force that can transform a learning experience from forgettable to unforgettable. Hi, I am Dr. Agnes Elisa, an instructional designer and e-learning experience consultant, and today I would like to talk to you about one of the most overlooked elements in course design: audio. We often obsess over visuals, animations, fonts, colors, you name it. But let me ask you something. What happens when the sound is robotic, noisy, and just flat? Learners disconnect, engagement drops, and retention suffers. Voice sets the tone. Think about the tone of the voice: motivating, calming, urgent. It guides the emotions and focuses the learner. Audio reinforces memory. Studies shows that learners retain more when they hear key points and not just read them. Accessibility and inclusion. Good audio paired with transcript and captions ensures everyone can learn regardless of hearing ability or language level. Listen to this and now this. Which one will you stay with for 30 minutes? Exactly. You don't need a fancy studio. Tools like Audacity or Descript, Adobe Audition, you name it, and yes, even AI voice tools can elevate your course without breaking the bank. So don't underestimate sound and audio. Make it work with your content and not against it. Because when we learn it sounds right, it feels right. Subscribe for more tips on creating powerful learning experience, and if you are ready to level up your content or course design, visit my space and social media at agneselisa.net or the space of Agnes Elisa. Thank you for seeing me and see you in the next time.